Hi guys and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how to make a simple whiteboard animation in Canva. So first let's check the video we're going to make. Okay, so first log into your Canva account and then click on Create a Design. After that select Video. Let's go to Elements and let's search for a character that we can use. So let's just type the word man. Under Graphics click on See All. Then here we can see all of the elements for this project that are related to the word man. There are many graphics to choose from, so take your time and choose a good one for your project. I'm going to choose this one, so just click on him to add him to the page. Next you can adjust the size and location. Next let's add some text, so click on Text on the left and then click on Add a Heading. Now I will type, Hello. Now choose what font you would like to use. I am using the font called Finger Paint. Next, adjust the size and location of the text. Now we will add some animations. Click on the man. I will make him pan from the left. Now do the same for the text, but make it pan in the opposite direction so they pan towards each other. Now let's preview it and see what it looks like so far. You can adjust the length of the clip by clicking up here. I will set mine to 2 seconds. Next I will duplicate the page by clicking here and choosing Duplicate. Then I will change this text. Next I will add some color to it. Now, I will change the animation to the typewriter animation. Now I will use the pop animation for the man. You can also apply transition between pages by clicking on this button. For this project let's choose Circle Wipe. Let's preview it now. Lastly I will add one more page with some more text. Now let's preview the whole thing. So there we have it. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.